What's that?
Every human is born Muslim.
Please explain. Please
But the
explain.
family change.
Please explain. Please explain.
I cannot explain.
So is that your daughter?
Yes.
On the day when she was born, how exactly was she a Muslim? Please explain.
See, all the human is born a Muslim.
You're repeating right now. I'm asking how.
This is the truth.
How?
How? I don't know how. I don't know.
You haven't got a clue.
No, because I cannot explain.
You haven't got a clue.
The education to explain.
It's called indoctrination. When you don't know how, yet you stand and proclaim, this is the typical definition of indoctrination.
We will meet inshallah in
So please
heaven.
help me
Inshallah,
understand.
we will meet there.
Sorry, what? Inshallah, what?
Hi for you from the hell. Inshallah.
From the hell, and you're happy about this. Look, you haven't got a clue about some of the basic questions, and you are saying you know about eternity.
The truth. This
Explain.
is the truth. Everyone, I cannot explain.
You haven't got a clue, in other words.
Every human was born a Muslim. The family is like the religion of the family changes the baby when it's born.
So please explain. Yeah. On the day when you were born, do you know what color clothing you wore?
No,
You don't know. How big you were? Do you know how heavy you were?
no.
You don't know.
Yeah, but
Do you know? Do you remember the color of your hair at that time? You know any
how
other?
is this related to religion?
Wait, you don't know any details. How come you knew you were a Muslim?
Read the Quran and you'll know.
Well, read
Why are you holding?
confused? I'm asking you a simple question, and your mother is showing the fact.
The original
Look,
Bible-
you're now being more confused. Please focus on what you can answer.
The original Bible
Please.
was changed.
On the day when you were born, how did you exactly know that you were a Muslim? Please tell me.
What do you mean?
Did you do shahada? Did you say shahada?
They did shahada for me.
That's her. That's her confusion. I'm asking about you.
What do you mean?
I'm not talking about her confusion. She clearly is confused. Is that your mother? She clearly is confused. With all due respect to her.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm asking you for
I am
basic.
Muslim and I am proud to be Muslim.
Please explain. What is there to be proud about being a Muslim?
I don't want to explain.
No. What
It's
is
my
there?
right. It's my
What
right.
is,
I
no,
don't
look,
want to explain.
if you ask me, look, I am proud about the grade that I got in my university. I'll tell you what my reason is to be proud.
I feel
Please
poor
explain
for-
to me what exactly are you proud about?
I feel poor for other people who's born Muslim and the family changed the religion for them.
Please
I feel-
explain.
I feel
What exactly
bad for them.
what exactly makes you being Alhamdulillah, please. Please, Alhamdulillah, please come and help. What exactly makes you be proud about being a Muslim?
Because Islam is the right religion.
you know, you're just repeating the indoctrination
the
right
Bible
now.
has been changed so many times. If
Explain.
Okay, wait.
So
let me
take
talk.
one book. Let's take one book of the Bible. I'll give you one example. I'll let you talk. I'll let you talk one example. Yeah. There is a book called Book of Isaiah, a prophet. So use that as a simple example and tell me what has changed in the book of Isaiah that you are aware of.
The Bible.
Isaiah is one book in the Bible. You are saying the Bible has changed.
Go look at
Explain to me what has changed in the book of Isaiah.
Muhammad is the final prophet.
Look, we're focused on something else right
No,
now.
Islam is
Are you jumping from one tree to another just to escape? Do you know of any change in the book of Isaiah?
Religion.
Yeah, because people can't change it, but the Quran has never been
Well,
changed.
if people can change it, the Quran can also be changed. I'm
No one
asking.
has ever changed the Quran.
I'm asking.
No, no, no.
But if you stay focused, please. Isaiah, do you know of any change? Isaiah, do you know of any change at all?
Information about what are you talking?
Isaiah, any change at all, please? You say people have changed. Any change that you are aware of in the book of Isaiah? No. Jeremiah,
I don't know what that is.
Ezekiel.
I don't know that.
In other words, you don't know the subject area, yet you want to make the conclusion.
Learn about this shit.
You don't want to learn anything?
No.
You don't want to learn anything?
We want to learn about Islam and that's it. That's it.
In other words,
Islam is
you
the
have been
final
in.
religion. Muhammad is the final prophet. That's it.
Show me. Where was Muhammad born?
Or Hindu.
I am a Christian. So
Stop, stop,
please,
stop.
please help me understand. You don't want to. Okay, that's
You'll
fine.
burn in hell.
I'll burn in hell, and she's happy about this. Okay, that's good. Okay, what's that?
You're going to hell.
I'll burn in hell. Will you be with me at that time? So here is the confusion. Excuse me. Wow. Don't be confused, sir. We're talking about something else right now.
Don't talk you.
Yeah, cool.
Go ahead.
So the problem, my dear friends.
Why you not do glass?
So Islamic scholarship in operation here.
Yeah. Excuse me. Get up. I don't
Yeah,
speak
cool.
with you.
Can a Muslim come and defend Islam at all? So far, I haven't found any knowledgeable Muslim, Even the expression knowledgeable Muslim seems to be an oxymoron. And so no wonder our nation is seriously suffering today. My dear friends, our nation is suffering. Things are burning.